So this is the project explanation for power consumption monitoring and theft alert system. So you'll have this Arduino Uno board. You have to connect this cable here and plug into your laptop. Okay, and you will have a NODEMCU module. The cable which you have given is not working properly, so we have connected our own cable. You have to use the mobile phone original charger cable, and thereafter you will have a AC power cable socket. You have to connect the socket into the power supply. Okay, remember this is AC, and you will have a on-off switch here, and for this you have to connect to the laptop. But before connecting the kit to the laptop or power source in your mobile phone, you have to turn on your mobile phone 4G internet and as well as the hotspot, and then the hotspot settings should be as shown in this video. That is, the name should be small letters project and the passcode should be project 1234, and everything should be in the small letters. After this part is done, then only you have to connect your laptop, all the devices, then it will get the internet and the system will start and show you as the current load status is off, power is off, 0, current is 0 and everything. And we will give you a APK. You have to in the WhatsApp you have to just press install it. After opening it, the APK will be installed in your mobile phone, and you'll have 3 switches. First switch on this side is for power pulses counting. So if the count of the pulses is greater than 5, then we will consider it as unit 1. Okay, so in this way the data keeps on power supply pulses. Whenever we press, it goes on, but whenever your light device is turned on, only the pulses will work, else it won't work. Okay, as you can see here, these are the calculated pulses generally, but some around 10,000 pulses like that we will get 1 pulse in this real meters. So for demonstration purpose we will use our button switch. And after opening the app, just I'm opening this is the switch 1. Now I will show you the password, p user, and the password is 1234. Login ID is p user, password is 1234 plus login. You will get the data like this. So whenever you start, initially it will be all zeros. Okay, we have finished with the button 1, and the second button will be for your daily update. So whenever you press this button, the units which are presently visible here will be updated into your day units slot on the app. And whenever this button is pressed, then the value present here will be stored. Whenever this day button is pressed, then this value will keep on be storing in the EEPROM to the last day value. It keeps on adding to it. And whenever the month button is pressed, this is pulses, this is day, and this is month button. So whenever the month button is pressed, then it will take all the added values of the days and it multiplies into 5 rupees, and it will show the month units as well as the current monthly bill 5 into how much is there. And here we will get the current value of the load connected. This is the switches, ACS712 current sensors, relays. This is just a power extension board to distribute power, all those things. These are the 2 general loads. Whenever you turn on, the supply will be provided to these 2 devices, and this is your theft load. So whenever you keep any extra load here, it will consider as theft load. So this is the general operation. Let us check for the normal operation of the billing system. Now I have turned on the switch. Okay, so this is the switch. If I turned on, the supply is provided to both the socket as well as the bulb. So you can so this is the issue. Whenever we turn on these things, then the LCD will sometimes get disturbed because of the high reverse current from the relays. So now you can see here, let's wait, we have turned on the power. After a few every 35 seconds to 40 seconds we upload the data to the app. We'll also keep the phone here. Okay, and every 30 seconds it will calculate the power. Every 15 seconds it will check for the theft. So we are doing little bit type of multitasking, not in a loop. So let's wait. So now it has calculated as 0.49 amps. Same is displayed over the your mobile phone. If you keep any other load here, it will add that particular load to the this current. So this is the operation of light on and loads on and off, and thereafter now I am increasing the pulses. So sometimes you have to just keep the press button. Due to calculation of the current, it will take to detect the pulses. Now just I am pressing this button. You have to wait for 5 pulses. So whenever the 5 pulses is done, we are considering as 1 unit. In a real time, it will be some around 10,000 units like that. 10,000 pulses, sorry. So now the units is 5. Let us assume that the day has been ended. So I am pressing this button. It will give you a buzzer. Day end units 5, and the same will be uploaded over the online that day units is 5, that is day has been completed. And the second same way, now it is resetted to 0. This is new day. I am increasing the pulses. So let us now it is units 2, and for present day you have to keep it pressed until you hear the buzzer. So as you hear the buzzer, day end units 2, it has been uploaded to 2. So now totally now this is a month button. So whenever you press the button, keep it pressed until it is detected. Month units, total 7 units. We have tried 2 times.
Month bill generated.
You will get a voice alert and vibration that month bill has been generated. Total 7 units into 5 rupees per unit, 35 rupees is your monthly bill. So this is the general operation of your project. And coming to the theft load side, so if you take any load and apply on this socket, in 15 seconds it will detect that theft has been detected. It will take 15 to 20 seconds. We are calling that now. The energy theft has been detected.
Alert power theft detected. Alert power theft detected.
So in the online, also you will get that alert power theft has been detected. Okay, if you remove the bulb, then it will, after a few seconds, it will be gone.
Alert power theft detected.
So this is the operation for alert power theft detected and your loads.
Alert power theft detected. Alert power theft detected. Alert